So it's a little windy out today. It is a beautiful day in November, and I am finally getting around to planting garlic. This is actually the first time I've planted garlic other than what I have for my grandma, and it's always in the same spot, and it's actually up out of the green's already up. I'll show you that in just a minute. But I'm going to show you where we're planting it. I'm planting it in one of my raised beds. I'm going to try to cover it because I have let the chickens out and I don't want them to be pulling it up, but I'm showing a grandbaby how to plant garlic. So if you have any tips or tricks, let me know below, because as I said, this is the first time me planting garlic like this. So I'm just digging holes about 2 inches deep, about 4 inches apart in this raised bed. And I have about a pound, and it's actually early white seed garlic. So I got a pound of it. So I should get about 10 pounds yield of garlic. So I'm digging the holes and he is putting them in. I showed him how to do it and he's doing an awesome job helping me out. So I'm digging holes and he's putting the garlic in there. So we're going to try to fill this whole bed and see how many we have left. It should plant this. Hopefully we don't have to go into this other bed and have to clean that up, but it's still a mess. It's really a mess. Peek over the fence here and I'll show you. This is actually garlic that I got from my grandma many years ago, and I just put it here and it comes up each year, and I cut the seed heads off of it. I don't know what those are called. Slips, that's what they're called. I cut the garlic slips off of them, but I've never actually, I just kind of harvest some and then I leave the rest and it produces more garlic. So it's just kind of a sentimental spot, I guess you could say. Probably always just leave that there. My grandma is gone now. She passed away a few years ago. So it's just kind of like a good little reminder, you know, of her and what she did and what she gave me to kind of pass along to my kids and grandkids. So we're pretty excited to be able to plant this. I'll just have to remember. That's why I'm going to cover it for one reason, is because I'm afraid I will forget that it's in here. And then come springtime, I will think that it's okay to plant stuff here, and then I'll mess all of it up. So I do have to cover it, mark it, do something, put like a big neon sign that says garlic planted here, so I don't mess with it, because this will actually not come up until next summer. So if all goes well. So hopefully all goes well. All right, I think we have this bed planted. I've got to go back over and make sure that they're planted in there the right way. I did have a lot of help. I also had a 2-year-old helping too. So I might have more than one in some of these by accident. He was even tasting some of them. So this is what I have left. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. I may take these back inside, maybe figure out a little spot to put them, but I'm excited. We're going to have lots of heads of garlic, hopefully. All right, so I just got my leaf mulcher out and shredded up some leaves. I'm gonna put that on top. Got my little helpers in the background. So I'm gonna go dump that on top of this bed. And then my plan is to go get the mulch that I had, my son-in-law brought me. Put some mulch over the top of that to kind of weight those leaves down. Then I'm gonna put some frost fabric, I think, over the top of it. Staple that down just so the chickens maybe will stay out of it, because otherwise they're gonna get in there and they're gonna scratch and they're gonna possibly eat my garlic seed. So I don't want that to happen. So we're gonna put that on there. I thought I was done with that video earlier, but I wasn't. So I'm gonna show you the rest of what I'm doing. So you just record the leaves going on there. No, not that way, this way. Don't put your fingers over it though. There you go. Can you do it like that?
Yeah.
Can you see the leaves going on there?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, I think we're gonna have to go get some more leaves. What do you think?
Yeah, try and hold it.
So it was supposed to rain today, but not right now. So we did get the rest of the leaves down. We did get mulch down, so I'm pleased with that. The chickens are actually up, so I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to move this cart out of my way, and we're going to go inside because it's starting to rain more. So hopefully this works out. That was a quick video on garlic. So there's many medicinal uses for garlic. It's actually kind of considered an herb. You can put it in honey. Of course, it's good just for your immune system, and especially the winter months. You can add it to fire cider, so many good things. We use garlic all the time in cooking because it's so good for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave any comments below, tips, tricks, and all that good stuff. Be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to be lovely lights today.